This is my Vidiot case I've been putting together. Vidiot with a cat full of ghosts. And there's one TV in there right now. There's a second one on the way to my house this week. This is an old Marshall, very rare one that I won for 50 bucks this week. It's awesome. It's got BNC component inputs, the RBG. It's got the S video in. It's got the bars. Oh, it's got two different ratios. It's got your bars so you can adjust your colors, a couple video inputs, and the first one at least will do a blue and black or the full color. And that's Cat Full of Ghosts. It's the diamond figure from Cat Full of Ghosts with the little characters around in the background. I'm blending the two together, blending it here with the Vidiot. See what kind of images I can get, throw it to some music, make a little video for you. I'll try this with like a movie or something too pretty soon, and I need to try to do some color feedback too, see what I can get. I did a black and white feedback video, but let's see what I can get with the colors. Maybe I can get some craziness with that. We'll see. But yeah, here's a Vidiot Cat Full of Ghosts. I put a converter box in here because at first when I plugged this in, I was just getting a couple lines that were flashing, and for whatever reason I plugged the converter box in and that went away and it started working right. But that seems to fix things sometimes. A handy little box. And then I could probably unplug it and it'd be fine. It's weird. Just fixes things sometimes. But I have a 9-inch TV right there. I'm getting another one of those this week. It's HDMI input, and it also has a little yellow input here, and audio if you want that. I don't really need it for audio, but in here is this is my bigger case with my Panasonic WJ-MX50 and my Roland sampler and my Edirol V4, so my acting guild and whatnot. My stack of 17 TVs right here. But I'm gonna see what kind of images I can get and throw it to some music, and we'll see what we get.